BlinkLearning offers two ways to assign homework to your students. Let's begin by navigating to the Grades tab. Here we can see that we have a single classroom titled German 101 Section 1, which contains 4 subheadings: tests, exercises, skills, and homework. The first way to assign homework is referred to as exercises, which is based on the name for this gradebook. Exercises is the easiest way to assign work to your students initially because it does not require you to change the way you assign homework to your students. If you use the exercises gradebook, you can continue to assign your homework outside of the BlinkLearning platform. Let's say, for example, that you email your students with instructions for an assignment, or post your lessons in your LMS. Because BlinkLearning's core functionality behaves almost like a print product, students are free to engage with their content without restriction. But ideally, they'll do so at your direction. When a student has access to an interactive book, they can begin completing exercises that you have directed them to do. When they finish, their scores are visible to them in their table of contents. In your account, you can see your students' work that they have completed in their book in your exercises gradebook. Clicking on the plus symbol opens up the contents of the chapter. For further information on grading your students' work, see the next tutorial in this series. A second way to assign students homework is to use the homework gradebook. In this area, you will have an overview of customized sets of your book's activities that your students can access via their Blink messages. Here's how you can create a homework assignment. First, navigate your cursor to My Students. Within your classroom, select the Students option. Then, in the vertical toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen, navigate your cursor to the option Create Homework. Next, select the option Exercise Selection. Give your homework assignment a title. If you wish, you can give your homework assignment a description. Select a deadline. In the drop-down list, select the unit from which you would like to assign exercises, and then click Search. Once your search results appear, you can preview exercises by clicking on the eye. The exercises that you choose to include in this assignment can be selected on the left-hand side of the list. When you're ready, click OK. A copy of your homework assignment can be found in your own messages area. To preview the homework assignment, click on the green link. Your students will receive a notification in their My Messages area when they have a new homework assignment. In their Messages area, they will be able to access the homework that was assigned to them. If you would like to capture a link for external posting of this homework assignment, simply click on the homework assignment to open it, and then navigate to the Share option located in the top toolbar. Click on the option to copy the link. Paste your homework links anywhere your students can find them. For an overview of the homeworks that you have assigned to your students, click on the Grades area. Then navigate to the Homework area. In this list, we can see the homeworks that we have assigned to our class. Now to summarize, BlinkLearning offers two ways to assign homework to your students. The first option that we covered is called exercises. The exercise gradebook is a record of students' activity completion in their book. Activities are accessed directly via their book. Exercise assignment can be done externally to the platform. All you have to do is tell your students what to do. The exercise gradebook provides a great overview of your students' participation. Alternatively, a second assignment system is called homework. The homework function allows you to create customizable sets of activities. Your students' homework assignments will be accessed via BlinkLearning's messaging system. The homework function is a great way to control what activities students do. And finally, The homework assignment function is a great way to have a detailed look at your students' work. Thank you for watching.